So I failed my prop firm, the one futures prop firm that I passed as well. Um, I've been trying with different prop firms for years, um, and this one time last month, I actually passed and got to the funded, and just like they say, you normally lose when you get to the funded. And yeah, just to show I did genuinely pass. Um I tried many times. I have failed over and over and over and over, and that felt like the bright light. That felt like, oh, I'm getting somewhere. Like, finally I got a funded account. I can quit my job. I was like, I'm set now, yo. I'm set. Like, I just need 5 winning days of 100, whatever it was, and I just need a certain amount of profit, and I can replace my income. Like, it's sorted now. I can do what I love. I can do, I don't have to drain my body at work anymore. Like, no more back pain. No more waking up and not following my dreams and not making videos. And I love making videos, and I love doing this, and my time, it belongs to me now. And now I can buy my mum anything, and now I can get my driving done, and now I can save up for my mortgage, and now I can put into my retirement and now I can invest in crypto, and now I can buy stocks, and now it's over. um but I say all this to say, don't quit. I don't quit. I have never actually quit on something I love, because if the love is strong enough, then there's no point in leaving it. What a waste. So I'm not gonna actually stop. It might be a reason why I got no money, because to be honest, these accounts are quite expensive. Like, they add up. You know what I mean? You're buying one after the other. Like, it really does add up. But I want to be a trader. I do. I love. I know this. I probably sound like a gambler saying this, but I love the thrill. I love the analyzation of trend lines, of market structures, of candlesticks, and just watching how everything moves, and watching how volatility just changes the market, and downtrends, and just seeing how market conditions are on certain days. And I love demo trading and back testing, and I just love trading. I really do. And I've done it for like I've done it for 4 years now, 4 or 5 years, I'd say, more 4 years. But I remember when I first discovered it, I fell in love with it like almost instantly. Um, and I didn't understand it at first. I started with forex, and I didn't understand it, but I just loved it. And the love over time is not it's not, because when you're not getting anywhere, when you're failing, you start to be like, am I getting anywhere with this? This happens a lot with me. So I don't know. I don't feel like I don't give up though. I don't give up. But sometimes I do get demotivated. Like, will I just waste my time? Am I just gonna waste my whole life trying to believe in something that's never gonna work? That's the things that come into my mind. But then I have a lot of optimism. I am a definite optimist. Like, I genuinely have a drive. Like, I don't stop. I remember one person telling me once, "You don't stop, do you? You don't give up." And I don't, because I am driven, and I like to pursue what I love. And if you love trading, if you love the whole thing, everything I was talking about trading, if you love that, if you love how it makes you feel, you love what you get out of it, and you know, you feel like, you know, I want to do that, then put the time and effort into it. You know, with things like, you know, the things you love, you have to actually give it some love. If I love a plant, I'm not just going to leave it to rot. I know I have to feed it. I know I have to do certain things, like keep it in sunlight. I have to keep it in good conditions. I have to maintain it. I have to look after it because I love it. And if I want it to be around for a long time, I want to make sure that I'm doing my best to do that. And if you love your dreams, and if you love the things that you're into, and you're passionate about those things, and you want them to happen, you have to give it the attention it deserves, and the attention you know you can give. Everyone has the ability to put some sort of effort towards what they love, and I encourage you to do so. I'm gonna buy another funded account. I might start documenting it. I'm gonna make more videos on this channel. I am demotivated a bit from not pass it. Well, I passed, but I am demotivated from not keeping it. What have I learned? I've learned to be patient. Took patience to pass the evaluation stage, I'll tell you that right now. To be like, oh, stepping away after £200 profit, I was like, oh, this is hard, because I'm just like, I can pass this in doing it. Like, let's get the evaluation stage out of the way. And that's what messed me up every time, because I'd get good profit and then I'd slowly lose it all. And then I'd be like, wait, I can get this all back again. Like, I got there before, and then I slowly, and it go. So patience. It taught me patience. It taught me taught me zen. Just zen. I know it's kind of the same thing as patience, but just peace. Just accept it. It was like, I lost one day. Okay. Now when I got to funded, I'm like, hey, I can make money now. Like, I can get payouts now. Like, I can get paid. That's when everything messed up for me, because I'm like, oh dear, let me trade 100 times. I messed up. But I will get there again. Like, I got there once, right? But yeah, I've learned patience. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Expect more videos on this channel. Thank you.